Hi, this is Mark with BMC Boats. Today I'm going to show you the Bayliner DX 2000. This boat is shown with the gray color. It actually comes in 4 different colors. You have the white, the black, the blue, and the gray. We have this boat set up with a Mercury 150 horsepower motor, and it also sits on a Caravan galvanized trailer that has a swing tongue on it. This boat is 19 feet, 6 inches long, and the beam is 8.1 inches. This boat will set up to 10 people. Here is the Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke motor. This motor is very quiet. It's also very fuel efficient. This boat is also equipped with a Baystar hydraulic steering. Here on the back of the boat, we have the extended swim platforms with the gray matting. This boat is equipped with the stainless steel package on it with stainless steel cleats and cup holders. It also has a freshwater washdown shower in the back. It also has the ski tow bar and this nice lounge area that sits back here as well. On the back of the swim platform, you're going to have a ladder that folds out. It is a 4-step ladder, and it just tucks away when not in use. On the back of the boat, you have an adjustable backrest that swings back and forth. Also in the back, you're going to have USB port and a 12-volt phone charger. You also got a place to store your phone and the stainless steel cup holders. You also have a storage place through the walk-through with plenty of storage. There's also a 25-quart cooler as well. Inside the boat, you're going to have plenty of optional seating with adjustable backrest. You have removable seat, and you got plenty of storage in the back of the boat. You also have lighting throughout the boat. This boat has a lot of storage in the back. Here in the cockpit, you're going to have an adjustable steering wheel with nice padded gripping. You're going to have your Jensen AM/FM Bluetooth radio. Here's your speedometer with your fuel gauge and your battery indicator and your RPM gauge. Your bilge pump, you have an accessory switch on this side. On the other side, you're going to have horn, navigation lights, anchor light, your step light, and an additional accessory switch. There's also a ski locker here in the floor that raises up with plenty of room for storage. This boat is equipped with a walk-through windshield that will close and lock in place. You also have storage here for your keys, your wallet, and other things. Also, you're going to have a USB port and a 12-volt phone charger, along with a little netted compartment. You have storage on the port side. This boat has a removable cushion that will allow you to sit forward when the boat is underway. This boat is also equipped with a movable backrest that will allow for more seating. You're going to have 2 drains in the back that are self-bailing. You also have 4 speakers for your radio. You have plenty of seating that you can stretch out on. We also have an optional pillow cushion that will turn the whole bow into a sunbed area. A USB port on your starboard side along with grab handles. Then up front, you're going to have an additional ladder and anchor storage. And it has a bimini top that will cover the entire back section of the boat. On the captain's chair, you have an option where the seat can lift up. The seat will also slide back and forth, and then it'll also turn as well. Thank you for watching this video. BMC Boats is located here in Longwood, Florida on 1792. We're open 7 days a week. You can reach us at 407-585-3190 or go to our website at bmcboats.com. If you like this, please give us a big thumbs up. Thank you.